This is a video on how to perform a software update on Ethos Edge scan tools. This also applies to Solus Edge, Solus Legend, and Modus Edge scan tools. It does not apply to any other scanners. But these scan tools you can update with a program called Shopstream Connect. And I'll show you how to download and install that software package in a second. But first, while I have the camera out and on this, I'm going to show you how to connect the scan tool to the computer and to get the software download started. So you'll need the USB cable that came with the scan tool, or any USB-A that plugs into it. So first, make the connection on the computer. Make the connection on the top of the scan tool. On the scan tool, you'll hit the Tools button, and then another button that says Connect to PC. And when you do that, it'll allow the PC to see this. It sees it just like it does any other hard drive, like a camera or anything else you plug into. And it'll download the drivers. And in this case, I automatically get a pop-up here, and it shows, hey man, there's an upgrade available. And I would just normally hit continue, but I'm going to cancel on this, because if you don't get the pop-up, which you may not, you're going to go Tools menu, Update Software. And then it's, do you want to update Shopstream Connect, which you'll have to do twice a year if you want to keep updating the tool. Or do you want to update the scan tool? So I click on Update this scanner. This is, we're going to check, make sure there's an update for it. And it says, yes, we found a software update for it. You're currently on 23.2.0, and we have 23.2.1. And it says how big the file is. I click continue, and you have to agree to your software license, and then agree and continue. And now this is just going to download the software update. So you can see this doesn't take long as you got a nice fast internet connection. It'll rip right through it. And so this software update is going to take 4 steps, basically. It's going to be download and install this program, Shopstream Connect, on your computer. Download the update to your computer. Then we're going to have to stream it into the tool, and this will be all automated. And then once it's in the tool, we'll install it on the tool. So we're going to go through all those steps right here now. So just about done with this. Modus updates will be a little bit bigger because there's meter, again, component test stuff that is loaded to the tool along with all the scanner stuff. And it says, all right, man, I'm downloaded. I'm ready to program the device. And you can choose not now if you want to do it later, but I'm sure you want to do it now. So you click continue. And now it's going to stream it into the tool. And this will take a little bit. Please make sure that your battery is up on the device. So this one's really charged, and it's a new tool, so the battery's not beat up or worn out or anything on it. You really should plug it into power so that you're going to have steady power supply to the tool, and it's not going to go dead during this download process. So anyway, we're sending this update to the scan tool. And this is going to take a little bit, so I'm going to bail on this video for a minute, or I'm going to take a quick break on my end, but I'll jump right straight to the next part in the video. So I'll pause here, and we'll come back when it is done streaming it to the tool. Okay, so the software program now shows software installation complete. Please restart the device. So easy enough. Now the update is installed in the tool, or I guess downloaded to the tool anyway. And now it's time to let's get this thing front and center here. I'll lower this a little bit, make that better. All right, so it's downloaded to the tool. Now it has to be installed on the tool. So this is easy. From here, our only choice is to exit. So we bail on the tool. Apparently it didn't want to cooperate. When the tool reboots, it says, hey man, make sure you agree to this software license again. So check it, agree. And now it's going to install on the tool. And as soon as this is done, this is automatic. The tool will reboot one more time and that's it, we're done. So this doesn't take very long, a couple minutes anyway. So let me pause it here and we'll jump back on when something exciting happens. All right, so it's been just a couple of minutes. The software update is completed, and the choice is View Summary, which I really don't care about. I don't need a summary of the installation. The other choice is Restart the scan tool. So click that. The tool will automatically reboot. Brings me to my Get Connected screen. And click OK to that, and that's it. So your update is installed, and that's it for the process. So nothing else to do. Hope that helped, and have a good day. All right, as promised, here is the instructions on how to download and install Shopstream Connect on your Windows computer. So fastest way to make this happen is to open up Google Chrome or some other browser. Type in Shopstream Connect download and search for it. And when I go to my web links here, I've got a couple of choices. Just make sure any one of these will work. Just make sure that you're downloading from an actual Snap-on site, right? So I click on this Shopstream Connect download. It's going to bring me to a page with instructions on how to do this and some other information. But the download isn't here, but don't worry, all roads lead to home when it comes to this. So it says go to the diagnostics website here. And then here is the download link for it. So click it once, and it will put it in your downloads folder or wherever your PC happens to save downloaded files. And so anyway, it's not a huge file, so it happens fairly quickly. I'm gonna grab mine here. So I open up my file manager. I find my Shopstream Connect software and click on it to open it. So get the little setup wizard like with so many other programs. Click Next. And at first it asks what country are you in. So here we are in North America. It's going to ask me to accept the end user license agreement. And then the install will start just like any other software program installation. It'll copy the files, install it, and then you'll be asked to finish. And when you do, Shopstream Connect will probably open automatically. That's it, you're in. If it doesn't, go find the icon on the desktop and open it from there, and you'll be all set. So that's it. Hope it was helpful, and have a great day.